I chose nursing because nurses plays an important role in saving lives. I feel that nursing is not a just profession, but it is a responsibility and a passion. Now my goal is to be a skilled nurse and provide people and serve people with honesty, care and dedication. Thank you.
My semester of this, I got to know that it's not doctor that's taking care. It's nursing. It's being a nurse. What's the duty of a nurse? Have you ever seen a gardener? What's the duty? He plants a seed, takes its care, nurtures it to its utmost care, and then what did you get? Flowers, seeds, apples, fruits, anything that give result.
So, while I chose nursing, in my society there was a big problem of health system, health care, and whatever. But a lot of problems about the health. That's why I chose nursing, because I want to reduce the problem of nurse in my society. So I am nothing, but I want able for the world needy persons. That's why.
The nursing is the best profession in out of this country and also here. I feel very grateful that I see my majority of classmates are choosing nursing and every background is like that. So
I guess everyone has a story why they chose nursing. Well, mine began with a fear. I was petrified of needles. I would not be able to look at them or even tolerate being near one. I would start a story when my brother got typhoid. I was along with him at the hospital. I was looking after him practically. My father was also there. There was a scenario where my brother could not be able to. The doctor wasn't able to find his vein. I kept looking at that needle and I felt nauseous, dizzy, and I was about to faint. Well, I did faint. So I decided at one point in life that this has to stop. And I decided that why don't I turn my fear into my power? Why don't I use it where someone needs my help? And I'll turn it into something productive. It is a very empathetic profession where you have to put your feet into others' shoes so you know what they're suffering. When we become a nurse, we have to not only sympathize, we have to also feel the empathy. We have to feel the pain that they're going through. For me, it's not just a profession, it's a courage, compassion and commitment. It's turning fear to purpose and service into society.
Why I choose nursing? After the MCAT, I thought that which profession will be better for me for getting early job. So I think nursing is the only profession which has a great scope in our society, country and all over the world. So therefore I choose this nursing, and I hope so that if I will do better work, I will complete my all aims and dreams which I have in life.
also collaborate on becoming a professional healthcare provider. And as for the future, I don't have.
I choose nursing because I want to help people and care of people, care and the patients. My future goal, I want to become a professional nurse and care of people.
My father always teach me that honesty, working hard and helping others are a key for a meaningful life. So that's why I choose nursing.
My future goal is to become a skilled and compassionate nurse who provides quality healthcare to patients and serve society with honesty and dedication. I also aim to continue my higher education in nursing and specialize in field where I can contribute more effectively and to patient care. Thank you.
I want to serve humanity and help to sick and needy family. But why choose nursing? Because I chose nursing. Nursing is an important role in a hospital.
Why I choose the nursing? Nursing is basically, as you know, nursing is a basic field. Nursing is not a job. Nursing is a give us more opportunities. Is like promotion of health and treatment of illness. And nursing, that was my dream. So inshallah, alhamdulillah, I am in front of you today to fulfill my.
My future goal is to become a successful and skilled nurse. I want to care patients, and I also continue higher study in nursing and specialize in a specific field. My aim is to help poor people. I choose nursing because I am interested in the base nursing. Nursing is a not job, it serves humanity. I am inspired by Florence Nightingale, who dedicated her life for patients.
Why I choosing the nursing? Because my inspiration is my cousin who is nurse. Whenever he shares his experience and caring the patient to save.
I choose nursing because of scope. As you all know, the scope of nursing all over the
The
world.
question is why I choose nursing as a profession. The first one is it is my Baba's wish. I become a nurse. The second thing is it is a noble and respected field. It plays vital role in patient care, recovery, and emotional support. I want to be a part of this profession where I can help people, and I will do my best. My future goal is not just work as a nurse in the hospital, but also continue my higher education to pursue a PhD. So just not for to achieve a title doctor before my name, but also doing something for the women. The main goal is because the thing which is disappointed me is when women give up. She can't speak for her right. So I will do for the women, inshallah, because Islam says women are very strong, so I will do my best.